Why do thousands of crypto enthusiasts choose Bitfinex for their XRP needs? Let's show you how. First up, log into your Bitfinex account. Easy peasy. Next, head over to the deposit page. Wallets. Deposits. Cryptocurrency. Simple, right? Now choose XRP from the list of cryptocurrencies. We're almost there. Bitfinex will give you your unique XRP deposit address and an important deposit tag. Remember, this tag is crucial for successful deposits. Now, from your source wallet, enter the Bitfinex XRP deposit address. Don't forget the deposit tag. It might be labeled differently depending on your wallet. Input the amount of XRP you want to send. Review and confirm the transaction. Done. Quick tips. Double-check the deposit address and tag to avoid delays or loss of funds. Be aware of potential transaction fees. While XRP transactions are usually fast, confirmation times can vary. And that's it. You're now a pro at transferring XRP to Bitfinex.